Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to extract text from images using snipping tool on Windows 11. For this, suppose I have an image and I want to extract images from this. Right click, select it, select the image and then right click on it, click on open with and choose here snipping tool. In case you don't find here snipping tool option, just click on this one, choose another app option and then select here snipping tool and press always or just once according to your needs. In case it gives error, just drag the image on your snipping tool screen. Here click on this one option that says text actions, click on it. It will snipping tool will automatically convert text that can be copied. By default it will hide email addresses and phone numbers. In case in this image the image from you want to extract text, in case it has some phone numbers or email addresses, you can uncheck it in case you want to copy along with them. After that, just select the desired text you want to copy and right click on it. Then select press Ctrl C or just select copy text. Now you can paste this one copied text to any word processing software like Notepad, Word, etc. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.